Om Shanti.
मनुष्य जीवन में
In this
मन का चिंतन
in this life,
निरंतर चलता है।
reflection of mind is
एक
constant.
होता है मन में संकल्प
One
विचार
is to create thoughts in
सोचना,
mind. There are some
प्रतिबिंब
thoughts, there is some reflection, but one is churning, one is reflecting on something.
चित्त है।
And to reflect on
एक
something
देखिए
is
मन में
connected to our, some people say it's connected to our heart.
अच्छे कोई बात नहीं,
Sometimes we find something good, something bad,
तो
it
संकल्प
directly goes to our heart.
चिंतन चलता
So
रहता
then our thoughts start creating
है। वो कभी
and
कभी
they
दुख का
keeps
रूप,
coming,
कभी चिंता का रूप,
and sometimes they
खुशी
create
हुई हो जाए,
sorrow, sometimes
सारा बदल
pain,
जाता है।
one or
इसलिए मन
another
में
reason.
खुशी नहीं रहती है,
Because of that the
तो हमारे
mind feels
बाबा
sorrow.
जिन्होंने
So our Brahma Baba,
जब अव्यक्त हुए,
when he became
तो
Avyakt,
उस दिन रात्रि क्लास में थे,
on that day at the night
तो
class,
स्व चिंतन
Baba said,
उन्नति की सीढ़ी है।
self
स्व
reflection
चिंतन
is the ladder to progress. And if you
कुछ
think
लोग
about others,
देह के
it's
ज्ञान थे,
it's something
वो
that takes you
उन्नति नहीं
down.
थी।
When we were in body
तो
consciousness,
कई बातें चित्त पर लगती रहती थी,
so at that time there are so many things that
चिंतन करते
we
करते
used to
उसका
reflect
अनुभव होता
on,
है,
and they become
कोई
like
विचार
something to
जोड़ता
create
रहता है,
sorrow,
जोड़ता है।
sometimes pain, sometimes discontentment,
अब
sometimes
जब हम
anger.
बाबा के बच्चे,
But now when we are Baba's
आत्म
children,
अभिमानी देह अभिमानी
soul
होने लग जाते
conscious,
हैं,
we are soul
तो फिर क्या
conscious,
होगा,
not body conscious,
ध्यान देंगे
then we need to
कि
reflect
अब
on
मेरे को
this. We need to pay attention on this.
स्वचिंतन चलना चाहिए।
That now we should think about
स्वचिंतन
the self.
मेरी उन्नति कैसे
What
हो,
does it mean to think about the self? Mean how to
कैसे मैं
progress? How can I improve my
जीवन में
relationship with Baba?
बढ़िया लोग
Whatever are the subjects like
सेवा
knowledge, remembrance,
तो उस
service,
समय
inculcation, anything, we should think
तो
about it. We should
स्वचिंतन
reflect
के
on
लिए
these
बाबा
things.
ने एक और नाम
So
दिया
this
है,
is self realization, self
दर्शन
reflection.
चक्रधारी।
So Baba also calls it to
आजकल
spin the
बाबा
discus of self
पाठशाला का
realization.
अभ्यास कराते हैं,
So nowadays, Baba is more
तो
focusing
स्व
on
दर्शन, स्व माने
this
मैं,
self
दर्शन
realization, spinning this discus of self realization,
मैंने इस चक्र में कैसे पार्ट
meaning
निभाया,
how I have played my part in
जिससे
this
मुझे बाबा
cycle,
पास
the
आने
whole
का मौका
cycle,
मिला था।
and that is five
पहले
forms.
प्रस्तुत में
That is the
चैतन्य
practice of
स्वभाव
five
आनंद थे,
forms.
बाबा
How we
पास
came
आए,
in golden age and then silver age and then copper age,
धीरे
and
धीरे
Baba
मैं
keeps
आया,
it explaining in different
जिस
ways,
दिन
different
बाबा
forms.
आए,
We came in different
तो
bodies,
स्व
different forms.
चक्रधारी
So we need to
लेकिन
spin this
आज हम कहाँ
discuss.
पर हैं वर्तमान
But
समय,
right now, where we are, we need to
और इसके
check
बाद हमको कहाँ
where
जाना
we
है, क्या
are
करना
and
है।
where we have to go, what we have to do.
तो बाबा कहते हैं बच्चे अभी चक्र
So,
पूरा हुआ है,
because of that, Baba tells us now the cycle
नए
is at
चक्र
the
के आने
end.
से पहले
And
शुरू होने से
before
पहले
beginning of the new
हम सभी
cycle,
को घर जाना है,
we need to go home. We need to go
और
back
फिर घर
home.
से सतयुग
And
में
then from home, we'll come to golden age.
स्वदर्शन चक्र का
So, spinning this
वर्तमान में भी महत्व है।
discuss of self realization, it's also has some value in path
चक्र
of devotion. Like Shri Krishna is always who
हृदय
has
को क्या कहते हैं,
this chakra in his
कोई
finger.
व्यक्ति
We
कोई
call
कार्य
it
नहीं
the
करेगा
discuss of self realization. So whenever there is some devilish act, something
उसको
negative,
समाप्त करने के लिए,
so to
शांत करने के लिए
kill that, to finish
चक्र
that,
चलाते हैं।
he used to use that chakra.
तो स्वचिंतन स्वदर्शन
So
चक्रधारी
thinking about the self and spinning this
ये बाबा
discuss
का
of
महत्व
self
है।
realization, we need to practice this. We need to practice this.
दूसरा,
And
स्वदर्शन
secondly,
चक्रधारी के
what does it
स्वरूप में
mean
देखना
to
चाहता है,
those who
जिसको
cannot
चक्र
spin this discuss? That means they are thinking about others, not thinking about the self. They are thinking about the others. Every time in our mind, the only thoughts are why they are doing like this, why they do like this. So every time we are thinking about others,
क्योंकि हमेशा बाहर देखते
because
हैं,
always we are
दूसरों
looking
को नहीं देखते हैं।
outside, we are looking at others, how they are
क्योंकि हम
doing
अपने को
things.
नहीं देखते हैं ना,
Because of these
तो
two
बाबा बोलते हैं
physical
कि
eyes,
बाहर
we
देखो,
only look outwards.
दूसरों को भी
So
बाहर
Baba is all, or Baba tells us,
लेकिन दूसरों
okay,
को
it's
देख
okay
के
to
खुद
look
को
out, look outside, but
खुद को
look
नहीं देखना, खुद
everybody
को नहीं
with
देखना पड़ेगा।
based on knowledge.
तभी तो
So
लिखा
then
है
there will be only
परसेंट
self realization, not the thinking about
कि
others.
कितना परसेंट
So
क्या
we
चला है,
should look at our chart
बाबा का
throughout
तो
the
बहुत होता
day.
है, कईयों का तो
Why we
100%
think
होता
about
है।
others? Some thinks a lot about
लेकिन
others.
अगर हमको अटेंशन दे के
But now we need to pay attention
सबका
on
अपना
it,
पार्ट है,
that
सबकी
everybody
अपनी
has their own
है,
part, everybody has their own
सबकी
sanskars,
प्रायोरिटी है,
everybody is in this path of making
तो
efforts.
चिंतन क्यों करें?
So why we are thinking about others?
अपना वैल्यूबल टाइम है,
This
संसार
is the
वैल्यूबल है,
time which is so
हमारे
valuable for
थॉट्स
us.
वैल्यूबल
Our
है।
thoughts are valuable, our breath is valuable, everything is so valuable at this confluence age. So within, we need to pay
जब
more
तक हम
attention on
कंटेम्पलेट
it,
करेंगे
contemplate on it.
उसको
Whenever
स्टॉप
there
नहीं
is,
करेंगे,
there are thoughts
और
about
तीसरा काम
others,
है ज्ञान
stop them.
चिंतन।
And second reflection and contemplation
मनन
is on
चिंतन
knowledge, which we call
हम
churning.
जितना ज्ञान का मनन
So
चिंतन
the
करेंगे,
more we churn about knowledge,
तो जो आंसर आएंगे,
so
बाहर
then
जो देख
what
रहे हैं
answers we
उसका
will
फल बाहर
receive,
से आएगा।
whatever we are looking
क्योंकि
outside
बाहर
will receive
ड्रामाटा
based on knowledge. Whatever is happening is the scene of drama.
सपना है,
For everyone, I need to
और
be
आजकल तो बाबा
have
कहते
that
हैं
soul conscious
शुभ
I.
भावनाएं, शुभकामनाएं लेकर
Nowadays,
चलो,
Baba tells us give the cooperation of
क्योंकि हर एक की
good
संस्कृति
wishes
वही
and
होती है।
pure
बाबा
feelings,
बोलते हैं
because everyone has some or other kind of sanskars.
जो इतने उचित नहीं होते हैं, पर उनके
Those are
विपरीत
not
होने
really
चाहिए।
appropriate, but they also have some
तो
specialities,
बाबा
some
बोलते हैं कि
qualities.
ऐसे विशेषता
So
करो,
every time Baba tells
तो
us to look at
एकदम ऐसा नहीं होगा
specialities,
कि मैं
only
कमजोरी
look
को
at the
नहीं देखूं,
qualities, then we'll think why
कि
we are looking at the weaknesses, why are we not looking at only
बाबा बोलते हैं
qualities?
जैसे आज
Every
आपके
child
घर
of
में कोई
Baba is
इतनी
so
विशेषता है,
special if they are moving forward because of their speciality.
माँ हमारी बहुत अटेंशन से
Look at
निकालती है
Mama. Mama
कि
used
जो
to
संस्कार वो
tell
आत्मा
us
का
a
है,
lot
अपने
that
आप को
every
निकालो,
time you want to remove
तो
any
इतना
sanskar
चैतन्य
from
निकलती
within,
रहती है, और आप
if you
उसको
want,
उठा लेते हो संस्कार को,
someone is trying
और
to
फिर
remove their
नहीं और भी ज्यादा चैतन्य
weaknesses or their bad sanskars, why you are picking up those
तो बड़ा
sanskars from
अच्छा है।
them?
देखें जब बाबा
So
बताते
if
हैं ना,
we look into
पढ़ते हैं
it,
पतन,
that
पतन तो बहुत
so
होता है,
Baba always tells us that
क्योंकि
if we are thinking about others, it will take us down.
क्योंकि
It's for,
चीजें स्टॉप हो जाती हैं।
so then we stop earning
ज्ञान
any
का
income.
चिंतन जितना करेंगे,
So more we'll churn on knowledge,
तो वो संस्कार हैबिट हमारी जो हैबिट
then
रहेगी,
that will become
वो
our
बदलेगी।
sanskar. And our sanskar of thinking
मम्मा
about
बाबा
others
बोलते
will
हैं जब तुमने
remove.
ऐसे ऐसे किया,
So every
तो
time
मैं
when we
तुम्हें
used to
ज्यादा
tell
देती
Mama,
हूँ,
Mama, this
तो
is,
मम्मा तुम्हारे सामने
she
देती
is
हूँ,
doing this, he is doing that. So then Mama tells us, why you
तो
are looking at that?
मनन
So we used to
चिंतन
tell
करो,
Mama, they were doing in front of us. So
लेकिन
Mama used
फिर
to
वही
tell us,
आता है
just think about
कि
knowledge,
प्रभु
just
ही
think
सब
based
कुछ
on the
है,
knowledge. And the highest on highest thinking about
बाबा
God, thinking
संसार में
about Baba,
बाबा की
thinking
सृष्टि
about
में
Baba's virtues, Baba's powers, Baba's knowledge.
जो
Just think
चीजें
about
सृष्टि
Baba.
में
Baba.
और
If you want to
उसके
think
ज्ञान में
about
लीन है,
something, think about God, think about Baba.
लेकिन
So
चिंतन
when we
से
think about Baba, we reflect on the knowledge, then we'll be more peaceful,
बहुत स्वच्छ रहेगा,
we'll be more clean,
और हमारी वाणी और दृष्टि,
and our words and our drishti
क्योंकि जो
will
चिंतन
be
में
more
आता है वो
pure.
वाणी में आता है,
Because whatever we think, we reflect on,
कुछ भी
that will be in our
कि क्या
words, that will
होगा,
be in our
क्या
thoughts.
होगा,
If something will happen like this, or it will
तो
happen like this, it's happening like this. So
तभी
don't think on those things. Don't reflect on those
हमारी
things.
दृष्टि से भी दिखाई पड़ता है।
Sometimes our drishti also is like what we are
देखिए
thinking, it's reflecting through our drishti.
तो मैं
Because
बोलूँगा
if
कि
we are
सबसे
thinking
पहले
waste, then our
जो
drishti
बाबा
will be
कहते
not
हैं ना
that
उसके बारे में
powerful.
बहुत सारा है
That's why
क्या
Baba
क्या
tells
नजर
us,
से क्या क्या
sometimes Baba tells us that through our eyes, what should
हम
be
लोग जाते हैं
seen, what
फिर
should be
देखते हैं
reflected. When we used to
इतना
take
तो
drishti
होता
from
ही है
Baba, Dadis, then
क्योंकि
there was so much
बचपन
of
में
godly
हमने
love,
उनको
so much of godly
या
love
देखा है
in
या
those
पढ़ा है
eyes, because they only used to think
दादी
about
कहती थी
God
हर
or
बात पे
knowledge.
कहते
Every
चलो
time we
दादी
used to
आज
go to
ये करो
like in front of Dadi Janki, she
तो
was like
कहते
every time there, but thinking about God.
लेकिन
We used to
थोड़ा
feel that
आगे बढ़ते थे
she's not listening to us, because
कि
we
वो
used to
अपने
feel
बच्चों
that
से ये नहीं कहती
that
ये बात
she is not here, she is
क्योंकि वो
connected to
ऐसा
Baba all
लगता
the
है
time,
कि जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं
because
वो
she
हमें
never
किसी
used to
से
like take
किसी
sorrow or
दूसरे
take
किसी
absorb those energies from us. She's like, if that soul
तो हम
will
देखते थे
come in
क्या
front of
क्या
me,
हुआ जा रहा था दादी जी
then
के साथ
those
तो
vibrations will come.
हम्म,
So we
तो जब बच्चा
felt
जब
that
पूरी
every
तरह
time we used to
बचपन
go
में
to
जब वो
Dadi
बनाते थे
or we used to share something with
तो ऐसा
Dadi,
लगता था वो
we
ऊपरा
used to
आंगन
feel,
में
oh no,
बैठा है
Dadi is
और
beyond,
सुनता है
just
क्योंकि
smiling, but she is not here, she is
जब
beyond.
उसका तो बदल जाएगा
Because
कुछ दिन के
she
लिए हमारा
never
बदल
used to
जाएगा
take anyone's sorrow or
मेरा मुश्किल से
anything what we are sharing.
किसी
She
की
is not
तबीयत
absorbing
बिगड़
that, she
जाए
never used to
उसको
absorb.
फिर
If
भी कमजोरी ठीक
it's
लगता है
difficult, it's difficult if we think
तो हम
about
लोग देखते थे
others and we absorb those energies, then there is no purity,
तो
there
हमारे
will be not
जीवन
that
में
level of purity of in
तो
our
जब हम
drishti, in our
स्वीकार
attitude,
करते
in
हैं
our vision.
संपूर्ण
So
होता
if
है
we are
हो जाता है
making effort to become perfect
बाबा
and
बताएंगे
complete,
हमें
Baba has given us this time to become
समझाएंगे
perfect and
कराएंगे
complete, and Baba
तो
is
हर एक को ये लक्ष्य रहता है
helping us at this time. So
कि
we
या
all should have this
चिंतन
aim that
या स्वचिंतन
that
वो ज्ञान का चिंतन और प्रभु
we
का
only
चिंतन
have to contemplate and reflect
करते
on
रहना है
knowledge
करते
and
रहना है
God, no, not thinking about others
न
at all,
बदलते देना है
not thinking
तो
about
थोड़ा
others, not looking at
ये
others.
खिली
So
जो बाबा
think
ने दी
self realization and
बाबा ने
spinning
धीरे
this
धीरे
discuss of
अपनी
self realization
मुद्रा
is
हमारी
the
जितने
ladder to
भी दुश्मन
progress.
सोए
So Baba used to tell us
वो
those
क्या
who
है
defame us
क्योंकि अगर
are
हमारे
real
साथ कोई दूसरा
friends.
ठीक करेगा तो पता कैसे
They are
चलेगा
our real friends because they are criticizing us.
अगर
So
वो
if
ठीक
they don't
करेगा तो
criticize us, how will
तो आप
we come
अपने
to
आप
know our
देखो
weaknesses?
अगर आप चेक करो अपनी
But
लाइफ
if you check yourself and you have that weakness, so try to improve it and thank that soul who is criticizing you, because they are
मित्र
making
बनाते
you
हैं वो
aware of your weaknesses and your defects. They are friend in a
प्रशंसा
way.
है आपकी
So if somebody is just praising you all the
वो
time,
कहावत है ना कि
so
वहाँ
then there
बहुत
is a
गिरे
saying that you don't
कि
have to dwell
ये
on
तो
just
आपकी तो
praises.
कोशिश है
So if you have
ये
only
नहीं
you receive only praises, then you are happy. If somebody is not praising you, then you are unhappy. So that should not be the attitude. So
संस्कार
just reflect on
स्वचिंतन
knowledge,
रहे
reflect on
जिससे
self,
हमें
spin
एक
this discuss of
मिलने वाली परमात्मा
self-realization,
में
reflect and contemplate
वो
on knowledge, and
ओम
just think about Baba, not about others. Okay, Om Shanti.